watermelon, sliced watermelon, sliced watermelon, a piece of watermelon, a piece of watermelon, watermelon wine, watermelon wine, red apple, sliced apple with seeds, sliced apple slices, apple slices, apple tree, orange, orange, peeled orange slices, peeled orange slices, orange trees in a farm, orange trees in a farm, green grapes, green grapes, black grape, black grape, sliced black grape, sliced black grape, grape vineyard, grape vineyard, banana, banana, peeled banana, peeled banana, banana plant, banana plant, pineapple, pineapple, pineapple slices, pineapple slices, pineapple plant, pomegranate, pomegranate, ripe pomegranate, ripe pomegranate seeds, pomegranate seeds, pomegranate tree, pomegranate tree, papaya, papaya, papaya with seeds, papaya with seeds, papaya slices, papaya slices, papaya tree, papaya tree, papaya slices, papaya slices, lime, lime, sliced fresh lime, sliced fresh lime, lime tree, jackfruit, jackfruit, ripe jackfruit, ripe jackfruit, jackfruit arils, jackfruit arils, jackfruit tree, guava, guava, guava with white flesh, guava with white flesh, guava with pink flesh, guava tree, custard apple, ripe custard apple, ripe custard apple, custard apple tree, custard apple tree, sapodilla, sapodilla, sliced sapodilla, sliced sapodilla, sapodilla tree, pear, pear, pear with seed, pear with seed, pear slices, pear slices, pear tree, broccoli, broccoli, broccoli plant, cabbage, cabbage plant, capsicum, capsicum, capsicum plant, carrot, carrot, carrot plant, corn, corn, corn plant, cucumber, cucumber, cucumber plant, eggplant, trees, garlic, garlic, garlic plant, green beans, green bean plant, green plant, green chili, green chili plant, mushroom, mushroom farm, onion, onion plant, potato, potato plant, pumpkin, Pumpkin plant. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Sweet potato plant. Sweet potato plant. Turmeric. Turmeric. Turmeric plant. Turmeric plant. Turnip. Turnip. Turnip plant. Turnip plant. Turnip plant. Arugula plant. Arugula plant. Watercress. Watercress. Watercress plant. Watercress plant. Celery. Celery. Celery plant. Celery plant. Radish. Radish. Radish plant. Radish plant. Tamarind. Tamarind. Tamarind tree. Tamarind tree.